Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the control panel first, and to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, we should click to this edit icon. Here you will see this down section with invisible options, and to add them to your panel you should just hold it, the icon, and drag it to this up section. To remove some of the icons, by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, click to the right upper corner to this three-dot, tap to reset, or to go back, click to this, just to save the changes, tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.